Hey everyone, if you appeared for VITEEE 2026, this video is your complete guide to understand your result, rank, scoring system and what to do next. Make sure you watch till the end because I will also explain counseling strategy and important warnings about fake admission offers. The VITEEE Engineering Entrance Examination, popularly known as VITEEE, is conducted by Vellore Institute of Technology for admission into its BTech programs across campuses. Your rank in this exam plays a crucial role in branch and campus allocation. VITEEE 2026 will be conducted from April 28th to May 3rd, 2026 and results are expected in the second week of May. You can check your result only on the official website vitee.vit.ac.in. Keep your registered email and phone active for the updates. Here's how you can check your result. Step 1. Visit the official website or portal. Step 2. Enter your application number, password and the registered email ID. Step 3. Download your rank card PDF and save it carefully for counseling. Your result will display your personal details for verification, section-wise marks in mathematics or biology, physics, chemistry, aptitude and English, and most importantly, your All India rank. This rank is what determines your counseling eligibility. Since the exam is conducted in multiple slots, VITEEE uses an equi-percentile normalization method. This ensures fairness by adjusting for difficulty differences between slots. Once ranks are declared, re-evaluation or retotaling requests are not entertained. Remember, results are available only online. No physical mark sheets will be sent. If your contact details are correct, you will receive SMS and email alerts. Higher ranked candidates get priority in branch and campus selection during the counseling. After the result, the most important step is counseling registration. Seat allotment is based on your rank and preferences. Once you confirm your allotted seat, branch or campus change is generally not allowed, so choose wisely. Student must register for counseling immediately after the result announcement. Seats are limited and allotted based on rank order and timely participation. Delaying can reduce your options. Students must keep your login credentials safe. Regularly check the official website for updates and most importantly, prepare your branch and campus preferences in advance to avoid confusion. That's everything you need to know about the VITEEE 2026 result. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more exam updates.